Up next in fourth place is the SuperHandy snow thrower. Keep your patio, walkway, driveway, and yard snow-free with the SuperHandy snow thrower. This is way above the pay grade level of your conventional snow shovel, as it aims towards helping you clear snow in the most efficient way possible. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or professional, it's built tough to meet residential and commercial standards. Weighing just 10 pounds, it houses a robust 20-volt electric motor that effortlessly moves an impressive 300 pounds of snow per minute. Yes, you read that right. What's more, it throws snow up to 25 feet away. Notably, it's eco-friendly and user-friendly, unlike noisy gas-powered alternatives. This snow thrower emits no smog or ear-piercing noise, and it's low maintenance, no gas, oil, or tune-ups required. Just push the button and watch it power through the snow. As an ergonomically designed device, a simple button push operates it, and the adjustable handles ensures comfort. You should prioritize safety by wearing gloves and protective eyewear while using the machine. Also, always ensure the snow thrower stays dry to prevent malfunctions. Its pros are: it moves up to 300 pounds of snow per minute. The ergonomic design will ensure you don't experience back pain during and after use, and it makes the work far less effort. However, its cons are it has to stay dry if you must keep it running, and the power trigger does not have a lock to keep it working without your hand pressing on it. The SuperHandy snow thrower is the winter weapon for DIY enthusiasts, snow warriors, and those tired of the old school shovel dance and want to clear their paths like a pro without the drama. Still haven't found an electric snow shovel that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on this list is the Ego Power Plus MSS 1203.